Nowadays, it is common to travel internationally. For example, more and more people are married internationally, and an increasing number of couples of same nationality live abroad. Have you heard about the 1980 Hague Child Abduction Convention? Regarding this convention, you should be careful when you move across borders with your child. The 1980 Hague Child Abduction Convention is a convention concerning the removal of a child by a parent. You may be subject to the convention without realizing it. Make sure your action is not subject to the convention when you travel with your child. The 1980 Hague Child Abduction Convention applies under these conditions. If one parent takes a child to another country without the other parent's consent, the other parent may submit an application for assistance for the child's return and file a petition to the court. In principle, the convention prescribes the return of the child to the state of the former residence. It is important to get the other parent's consent before taking a child to other countries so as to avoid troubles. If you have any concerns, it is recommended to talk with a legal expert before traveling. As an example of the 1980 Hague Child Abduction Convention, here's a family of a father, mother, and child living in Japan. A parent moves out of Japan with the child without getting the consent of the other parent. If the parent left behind in Japan has not agreed to the relocation of the child and wishes to bring the child back to Japan, the left-behind parent can apply for assistance based on the convention. If conditions are met, the Hague Convention Division of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Japan will help the parents solve the problem. In the process, the father and mother discuss whether the child should return to the state of the former residence or stay living in the state of the current residence. If it is difficult to make a decision through discussions, the court will determine the matter. The Hague Convention Division of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs also provides consultation for the general public. Do not hesitate to contact us by email or phone if you have any questions about the outline or procedures of the 1980 Hague Child Abduction Convention.